I think I am a well-mannered person. There are some very impoverished people in my country. There's a widespread opinion in my country that all politicians are corrupt. There's a prevalent belief in my country that all politicians are corrupt. Dancing with the Stars is a well-liked TV show in my country. Being on time is considered a positive character trait in my country. People in my country are becoming wealthier. My neighborhood is very secure. My city is well known for its distinctive buildings. My uncle runs a prosperous business. The conventional use of a mobile phone is to make calls and send text messages. A characteristic dish in my country is pierogi. Shopping online is very convenient.